Hey everyone, this all-black iPod Classic came in from Bangalore. It had already seen a restoration attempt, but it wasn't quite there yet. Opening it up, it had one of those green CF adapters. Honestly, they are kind of a hit or a miss. Next, the Bluetooth mod had messed up the headphone jack. The bottom bezel was broken and the battery flex cable was torn off. As you can see, the back plate behind the display is missing. This is usually done to improve the Bluetooth signal, but with this all-metal body, it still blocks a lot. Taking a closer look at the motherboard, the battery flex cable was still stuck in the connector and it wasn't coming off. That's when I realized
this is the end.
There was super glue everywhere. A motherboard swap would have been the easy way out, but I decided to rescue it. With a lot of patience, heat, I got the connector off, even though one of the solder pads lifted. I rebuilt the connection, added a jumper and a layer of solder mask, and brought it back to life.